Hello everyone. This might be one of the easiest ways to start coding with a powerful AI model right now. OpenCode has relaunched Qwen 3.6 Plus access after upgrading their GPU capacity. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set everything up on your PC. From installation to real coding examples, we will cover everything step by step. Let's begin. So first we need to install OpenCode. Simply search opencode.ai and open this website. After opening this website, you can see here the open source AI coding engine. You can install the desktop app also, but we will use the CLI tool. So for the CLI tool, we have different options as here you can see curl, npm, bun, brew, and paro. So you can use npm, simply copy this command and install it. For curl, you can use this command, but for this you need to be installed git on your PC. So I will use the npm. So let's copy this. Let's use this curl, okay? Because I have installed git on my PC. If you didn't install, so you can move to git and simply install it. That is straightforward. Just move to install and download it for Windows, Mac, or Linux. So let's open git bash. Open this git bash. After opening this, now simply let's paste that command. Paste, as you can see. So simply press enter to see the installation here. You can see the percent 8.10.11.12. The open code installation completed. So let's close it. Now let's open it. So let's first of all open an empty folder. So this is an empty folder. Let's right click and open this inside the terminal. After opening this, let's write simply open code. So you will see the CLI, the interface of open code like this. So one thing else that I should mention, whenever you install, you should add the path of open code. Okay, this path. So let's simply come here to C drive, users and username, and come here to open code and to bin, copy this path and move to environment variable. Come here to the environment variable, edit it, and you can add here, but for the permanent, just come here to the system to this path. Find this path and press this edit. After editing this, as you can see, I have already added. Simply press new and add a new path and press OK. So that's it. Now let's come here back. So here, now let's find the pre-model of that provided by OpenCode. So let's write /models. Press enter and you will see the list of models. As you can see with free models, you will see this free flag at the end. Let's now find the Qwen 3.6 plus. Simply let's search for Qwen 3.6. So simply you can see Qwen 3.6 free. This is by OpenCode Zin. Okay. So let's press this. That's it. Qwen 3.6 plus is selected. Now we can start coding using this powerful model. Hi, simply like this is just a simple chat. How can I help you today? So let's first of all move to the plan mode. So right now it is in build mode. So let's press tab button. After pressing tab, so it has changed to plan mode. So I will simply write I would like to build a dental clinic landing page. So whatever you want, so you can simply ask from this, it will give you the plan right now. After getting the plan, press tab button and move to the build. So it will implement that for you and build your project. So as you can see, it says which stack would you like and you want. For example, it's HTML, React, simple HTML and CSS. So which sections would you like on the landing page, like hero services about, and type your own. So simply let's write main banner and we will just write all. So all section. And what design style do you prefer? Clean and professional, modern and bold? Yes, modern and bold. And after that, text stack section, design style, confirm, review. Yes, HTML, CSS, JavaScript section, all. Yes, press enter. So now it will start. Yeah, this is the plan for you. It says these are the files that we will create in the sections and the features. So now it says I am ready to implement it. Simply press tab button and says implement it. So it will implement it like that. So this is how you can use OpenCode Qwen 3.6 plus in OpenCode for free. If the video is helpful for this type of tips and tricks for AI coding, please hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any question. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.